You are successfully letting go of lower vibrational people, and your masculine is feeling it. Hello, beautiful listeners. Today, in this reading, we will discover everything related to your letting go of these situations and people, how your masculine is feeling about it, and the renewed attraction this has brought. Today's card deck is Angel Answers, and the cards are already pre-shuffled. The first question I have asked is, how have you been feeling lately? So let's find out. First card I received is Opportunity. So looks like here there is a feminine who is opening her arms wide open and is in a lot of golden energy, receiving loads of golden dust, golden coins. Looks like the feminine is ready to receive and is in their true power, very open to love, very open to light. So this is great because when feminine is ready to receive, masculine will naturally be ready to give, and it is a natural balance that forms. The yin and yang balance forms where the feminine is ready to receive and the masculine is ready to give, which is excellent. Beautiful card, beautiful start. So the second card I received is No Need to Worry, and I should congratulate all the women here listening to this, that somewhere you have claimed power over yourself, over your thoughts, which means you have become the master of your mind, telling your mind that no to all those excessive worries, excessive thoughts, and you are mastering yourself. This is brilliant because this has been very challenging for you to do as a person, and you have managed to successfully have power over your mind to come into your heart and shine that beautiful woman that you are today, more like a queen. A lot of queen energy is forming because you have claimed power and is the master of your mind, and you're able to stay in a lot of positive energy, a lot of divine energy, a lot of loving energy. This is what I can see. So looks like there's a lot of work that the feminines have done on themselves, working on themselves, working on their beauty, working on their inner wounds, maybe inner child wounds and past, and all those karmas which you did not require, all those contracts, all those relationships and people you did not require is sort of falling away naturally and peacefully, like a leaf is falling away from a tree naturally and peacefully, not in a harsh manner, but because you chose to be in your power, you chose the right career for you, that you chose the right home or living condition for you, or you chose what is best for you, you chose the best version of yourself. At the same time, you made decisions that will suit you without pleasing others, hence this energy, and there looks like there's no need to worry. I am in my power. Great job on doing this to all the feminines. This is just wonderful energy, and this will help the magnetizing power of attracting your lover, attracting your masculine towards you. You are very magnetic and very attractive to your masculine at this point because you are in this very divine, grounded, powerful energy, which is brilliant. Like, I do feel like clapping for the feminines at this point because it does look like they've done a lot of work on themselves. So brilliant. The next card is Not the Right Time. So let's see what this says, that how have you been feeling lately? This is the card I received, Not the Right Time. So somewhere there's a paused energy, but the picture here is still the woman holding her arms wide open and she is shining her light. So yes, again it does look like the feminine has a lot of strong boundaries with those people who are trying to disturb her. So you are actually very clearly putting up an energetic message, and I think a verbal message that no, sorry, looks like you have learned to say that no to others to keep your happiness, to keep yourself happy. Choosing yourself first looks like your boundaries are pretty loving and strong. You're able to stand up for yourself. That's why you're able to tell others that no, sorry, not the right time. Maybe somebody's inviting you for dinner or a function which you're too tired after work, and you're able to say no to that and honor yourself. So looks like the feminine is currently able to honor themselves. This is a lot of power and a lot of attractive energy. You should be proud of yourself for being this way, for honoring yourself, for respecting yourself. This is a lot of honor and respect towards self, and that is the highest form of worship one can do towards themselves. This is beautiful. Very, very smart, loving energy from the feminines. The next question I am jumping right into is, what brought this choice? Let's see what brought you this choice. Looks like improving health. So somewhere looks like your mental, physical or emotional health. Looks like any one of this was really down, and that is what gave you the alert signal that I have to work on myself. I need myself and I need to support myself to really stand up for myself and take care of myself, because I think there was some red signals in the health, and looks like the feminines have been working on their health. Looks like they have been taking their vitamins, or the ones who are thinking about taking the vitamins, please go ahead and take your vitamins and minerals and do a medical checkup if you can, and take care of your depression, anxiety. If anybody is going through any of that, just meditation or choosing any sort of grounding practices like going for a walk in the nature or taking a swim or anything that would really help your health. Yes, sleep, exercise, and beautiful, sleep, exercise and food habits, looking at those basics of life, aligning to that. So looks like you want to improve your health and improve yourself. That innate core desire, that value, you have understood your value, and that is why you want to improve your health. And this is what this brought this choice, that I am important, I am a queen, I'm ready to receive. Beautiful queen energy coming in to all the queens out there listening to this. So yes, I am the queen, valuable. Looks like you understood your value, and that is why you made the choice to take care of yourself, take care of your health, and take care of your physical, mental and emotional health through whichever way you can. This is amazing, a very empowering move from the feminines. So the next card for this question, what brought this choice? If you believe, looks like the feminines have started believing in themselves. Yes, finally. Yes, believing in themselves, believing that I can and I will and I am capable of this. Yes, maybe there has been, you have been told several times that sorry, no, you are too weak for this, or you cannot. But just simple faith, yes, I can, in yourself, simple faith in the love in you, in the power in you that you can, has brought you to this situation where you feel like a queen and is ready to receive. Looks like the feminines are already receiving a lot of good through this process. Very, very beautiful. The next question I have asked is, how is this goddess energy affecting your life and your relationship with your masculine? Let's get a little good information out of this. So choose a new direction. In this card, this is very beautiful. In this card, there's a masculine and a feminine together, and the masculine is holding the feminine and showing a new path, which means there is possibly a relationship and both of you are moving towards that direction, a new direction of relationship, of togetherness, of partnership, of oneness. So this is what your goddess energy has attracted and brought you. You have received a partner who is committed and who is ready to go in the direction of oneness, in the direction of union, of togetherness, in the direction of commitment, and in the direction of a romantic relationship. So this card is very clearly showing a couple who are romantically and who is serious about each other and who is ready to take one direction together, like a committed partnership, a marriage, or a romantic relationship, which is ready to bloom and move forward in a particular loving direction. And it looks like this new direction is from a place of love and from a place of light, and it is a peaceful and easy one. So congratulations again on all the work that all the feminines have done on themselves, that their masculines is ready to take this direction. All you have to do is choose. As a feminine, please go ahead and choose that I choose my masculine to join me in committed loving relationship with me, if that is what you're looking for, or whatever choice you want to make, and they will join in, because you have a lot of queen attractive energy, and when you choose, they're just going to join in very easily and peacefully. This is what is coming, because they're ready for you, because masculine and feminine has the giving and receiving energy. So masculine is ready to give and you are ready to receive. So if you choose, they will just be ready to follow this process, follow the path, basically follow love, follow the relationship, follow togetherness. This is what this card is showing. Then big happy changes, a lot of joy coming in your relationship. Looks like the feminine needs to build on a bit more of joy. Keep going, keep working on yourself and build on your joy. Do what makes you happy, and big happy changes are coming. Keep doing what makes you happy, and big happy changes will come. Your masculine will keep you happy. That's also coming here. This is fun, and you deserve to be kept happy and loved, and you deserve all that attention and love. And make sure you keep giving that to yourself. Keep enjoying your own energy, your own company, and they will treat you like a queen, and they want to keep you happy. And looks like there will be a lot of happy changes, like a new home, or moving in together, or a marriage, or an engagement, or very loving romantic dates, or a lot of understanding between the both of the couple. That is what I am seeing here in the big happy changes. The next question is very, very loving. The next question is very strong one. What is the masculine feeling? And the future cards about what the future holds. This is what I have asked. Let's find out. So I received a lot of cards for this question. So it looks like the masculine has a lot to share also in terms of feeling. The first card is get more information. So it is a masculine here. a divine masculine I can see in this card, and there is a heart energy and there is a star opening up in this, which means the masculine wants to connect deeper to their feelings about you. They want to know more about you. So don't hold back. Just be you and fully open up to them. They want to know you. They want to get to know you deeper. They want more information about you. They want to take care of you. And, they really want you to be just you and show your true self to them. So they are very curious about you, which is kind of fun. Enjoy that. Give yourself that vulnerability. It is safe. But if it's love, it's safe, right? So love is there. I can feel it, see it. Masculines love you deeply here. Your man is loving you deeply here. They really want to embrace you and know more about you. So it's okay to be vulnerable and just be you and show the true you and show them more deeper versions of you. It's okay to cry in front of them. It's okay to laugh loud in front of them. Maybe it's okay to eat funny in front of them, these kind of and sweet things. That's what the first card is. Then ask for help from others. What does that mean? So this was question that what is the masculine feeling? Ask for help from others, which means, and it's a couple here, so help each other out. Help masculine to feel better within themselves. Help them understand how to feel their feelings. And because looks like you have mastered this. You are good at feeling your feelings. Help them connect to themselves and help each other out as a couple in many ways. Let's say maybe partnering in basic things like gardening or cooking or reading together or writing together, which will help the both of you bond. So maybe they are having difficulties in a particular area of their life. So gently just sitting around them during the work, that is when they're working, that is if it's not disturbing for them, and if you're not crossing the boundaries, then just supporting them or encouraging them or just listening to them about their work, their daily challenges. What are the masculine's daily challenges? Just listening to them will be very helpful for them, and just helping each other out. No expectations, but naturally when you feel like they need help or when they feel like you need help, allow them to help you. Allow the masculine to help you. Also, if they want to open a jar for you, go ahead and allow them to do that. Start there. Start in small things. Let them help you and allow yourself to be helped and allow them to be helped too by you, so that you can build trust. That is why it's saying ask for help from others, which means it's a partnership. I can see a couple here, and very bright, divine couple, a couple in deep love, deep trust, and honoring and respecting each other also. So do respect their boundaries. When they say that, please, I need some space, it'll be nice to give them that space. Do respect their boundaries, and that's how you can help them, not by pushing them or forcing them. This is also that is coming up, just trusting each other. This man loves you. You don't have to worry about anything. They have already claimed you. In this picture, I can see that the feminine has folded the hands and saying namaste, and the masculine is just holding her, which means the man has claimed you. According to him, according to the man here, you are his, like you're mine, like he sees you as his woman for good for this life. So nothing to worry, just keep trusting and help each other out. Yes, so the next card is trust. The card I received is trust. Trust in this connection, trust deeper. Trust that this is real. Yes, it might look like it's too good to be true, but you're receiving your fairy tale. You worked hard on yourself to receive this fairy tale, so you deserve it. Just trust it. Trust that it's all real, it's actually happening, and move forward. Make a choice to trust and move forward. And the next card is unlikely. So, yeah. Unlikely is because I can feel a lot of doubt energy. Is this all real? Can this be true? Can this be grounded? Yes, it is all real. All the doubts are unlikely. It isn't, just let go of the doubts. It's unlikely that this relationship will break or go wrong. It is literally unlikely and impossible. So keep trusting deeper, let go of skepticism, let go of any doubts. And the masculine is also communicating here that it is unlikely, I will not leave you. It is unlikely. If the feminines think that, do they love me? Well, because this question is for how the masculines feel, right? So if the feminines are doubting that, well, do they love me? Do they really love me? Are they really going to settle down with me? Or are they really going to meet me for this date? Well, masculines are saying that, well, it's unlikely. All your doubts are not real. It's highly unlikely that I will let go of you. You are it for me. You're the one for me. I have claimed you. You are mine. This is what the masculine is saying. So it's unlikely that I will not be loving you. It's impossible. This is the card energy. That's why I'm saying it's pretty strong energy. Masculines are also very passionate about you over here in this place. That's what I can see. Then the last card, no, not the last card, sorry. Then the next card is wait. So wait, yes, the masculine is also communicating to you patience. Do not hurry, relax. Let's ground this relationship. Let's come into some grounding. Make this relationship stronger by getting to know each other deeper. So just breathe, pause, first enjoy each other's company, build trust, and ground this relationship, and then let's go outward and introduce this relationship to others, or maybe then let's go out there and buy a home together or move in together. So just pausing and allowing the two of you to trust each other deeper and understand each other deeper, get to know each other deeper, become more vulnerable with each other deeper. So just pause, be patient, and in the near future, yes, whatever you want from your masculine right now, if you are thinking, oh, he's not giving me this or he's not giving me that, it is in the near future, 100%. So we have already moved to the question, future cards, about what the future holds. So it's already started to talk that in the near future, for sure, whatever your desire is with this man, it is there in the near future. Just continue doing what you are doing. You are already in the right path. It is in the near future, and good work. Universe is also saying great work on yourself. So yes, the near future card is also saying ask your angels. So in this, what I'm saying is, seeing is claim your support 100%. Claim all the support you can get. That is either through the asking your angels, either through the coaching classes, whatever information is available. Do claim your support, ask your angels. Does also mean that you are not alone. You can always ask for support and take support of your guides and angels, and they can come through different forms. They can come through coaching, or they can come through classes, etc. That is available easily to you. This is what is coming up. Then let go. That is the next card related to the future. So let go of all your past relationship, people, job, home, anything that is not of a vibrational match to you and your masculine. Please let go of it and move forward. It is time to let go and make space for this beautiful relationship that you have cultivated with your masculine, and move forward and let go and enjoy your new beginning. That's what's coming up here. The last card is a yes. It's a yes from the universe. And I can see that there's again very yin and yang energy here, moon and sun, and it's a complete yes. The whole universe is saying yes to your desire. Looks like the universe is saying yes to your togetherness, to your union. Looks like there is a lot of love. So the universe, anything that is made of love, the universe is easily going to say yes to it. So you also can say yes to your desire related to your masculine. Maybe you want to marry them, you want to live together with them, or you want to have a home with them, whatever it is that is in your heart, or you want more harmony with them, more understanding with them. Say yes to it. Universe is supporting you. You just say yes to it in your heart and everything will align. And congratulations on the power you are in right now. You are the queen of his heart. Congratulations on that. If you need help in strengthening this relationship, then speak with an ascension coach today. Thank you so much for this wonderful reading. If you need to strengthen this relationship and understand how to ground this relationship, understand how to ground the desire in your heart, then speak to an ascension coach today. And thank you so much. I hope this reading helped everyone who is listening to this video. Have a wonderful day.